Hi everybody, happy Saturday. So I'm out in the woods today where there are a tremendous amount of trees, and I recently came across this amazing telepathic way to communicate with trees. 7 different exercises to do so depending on what you would like to do with them or for them. So I just decided that these trees need love, healing love. So the way that you do this is first place a pyramid of deep blue protection over you of Archangel Michael's blue pyramid of light. Then invoke the Christ light to purify and cleanse you and keep you deeply pure and rooted in the ground. Then touch the tree and send pure pink love and bathe the tree in pink love, sensing Archangel Chamuel's presence. Imagine the love going to the roots and spreading to all the trees around it. And then thank the tree and say goodbye. So I've learned that we can also receive healing from the trees to our higher heart, petals and layers. We can also create portals through trees to different places in the world. There are different trees that have natural healing energy, such as pine trees. They're connected to the Pleiades and they offer a healing frequency. I'm still learning about oak and beech trees and birch trees. There's so many, and they have all these different unique special characteristics, and all need different healing. So it's quite fascinating, and the trees are incredible, and we can ask them what they need as well. And I also like to invoke Archangel Fhelyai. He's the archangel for the animals, and he has a beautiful sunshine yellow light. And also we can do exercises to connect the trees to the great crystal of hollow earth, and also communicating with the trees to discover from the elementals in the tree, or deities or fairies or nature sprites, what the tree may need. So we get really quiet and listen and tune in and see what comes up first. Always putting protection over yourself, whatever that is for you. If you prefer Christ light energy, if you prefer Archangel Michael's blue energy. For me, Archangel Michael has been with me since I was a very young girl. Always made me feel safe whenever I was afraid. And Jesus' energy as well. Also, Mother Mary has beautiful maternal energy and her twin flame, Archangel Gabriel, more pure white Christ energy. And then you can connect and see what comes up and ask your guides for help and trust. Absolutely love when it snows, because seeing all the beautiful white snow attracts the Christ light frequency energy. It's beautiful and clean and vibrating with pure white Christ light. Beautiful frequencies of peace and safety and security, and I just love it. Here in New York, everybody gets very upset when it snows. But I'm very thankful for it, and we're getting a little bit more right now. It's starting to lightly flurry, so I'm thankful and enjoying it. And also other ways to invoke the Christ light frequency. If you just say 33, that also helps. You can feel Jesus's white golden light pouring over you. It's a beautiful frequency, and even animals that are all white have this frequency as well. Snow foxes, white wolves, all white albino animals. It's amazing. I just passed a couple who said that there are bluebirds seen around here, not blue jays, bluebirds. I always see blue jays around here. And my grandma loved the song Blue Sky. Oh my God, is that the birds are here. The birds are around for sure. Blue skies smiling at me, nothing but blue skies do I see. Oh my God, I see an owl. Blue birds singing a song, nothing but bluebirds all day long. Blue skies smiling at me, Nothing but blue skies do I see. Bluebirds singing a song. Nothing but bluebirds all day long, all day long. I'm looking at this hawk in a tree right above me, and he's been staying here since I've been singing. It's very sweet. I'm gonna see if I can flip the camera around to show you. Let's see. The more I've been singing, the more he's been fluffing his feathers. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or if it means he's showing off, but there's some other people coming now, so I feel like he might fly away soon. But thank you for showing your beautiful self to me. It's been amazing. God bless you. God bless you, little guy. Little big guy. Be free. Be free. There you are, buddy. Yeah. You're very beautiful. Very beautiful. See? If we zoom all the way out, you're quite far away, but we zoom all the way in. And let's see, where'd you go? There you are. Hey. Very beautiful. The more I've been singing, the more he's been fluffing his feathers. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or if it means he's showing off, but there's some other people coming now, so I feel like he might fly away soon. But thank you for showing your beautiful self to me. It's been amazing. God bless you. God bless you, little guy. Little big guy. Be free. Be free. Hi guys, so little update. I feel happy because we worked with the trees today. We sent some healing to the trees. We sent love, pink love and energy to them, and Christ light frequency. So I feel really good about it. Now it's starting to snow, so they're gonna get more of that beautiful, peaceful white energy just around them, and we sent them love. So we did a good thing today. Happy Saturday. I hope you're all doing something wonderful, peaceful, and sending you all many, many, many blessings. Have a great weekend. And last thing is, I am going to write a meditation or write a prayer down for how to connect with the trees, and I'm going to put it at the end of this video so you can screenshot it and save it, and you can practice with the trees as well. So I hope you enjoy it and practice your telepathy and your energetic communications. Practice it with your friends, with your family members. Send them a thought that you're thinking of them, and then notice if they call you within the next few minutes or you get a text message from them. Notice if you're thinking of someone and then all of a sudden you see them online on Facebook or on Instagram, or they come to you in a dream, or they reach out to you somehow. Practicing, it's another way to just tune us into each other, help us be more connected and